What did the parrot do? Oh, what do you mean by that? He's just playing with your toy. Don't you like that? No, these are my toys, not for the parrot. Well, you should have warned me. I just want it from the parrot, so just give it, okay? Because, I don't like it when somebody takes my toy without permission. It would be silly if a parrot has to ask for permission. Parrots don't usually talk that much. Well, if they don't get trained, so it's not fair. You could just let your parrot have a turn, okay? It's yours. It's your parrot. He's not even destroying it, see? He's playing it gently. Well, that's my favorite toy. Well, every time somebody takes your toy, you say it's your favorite. Now, these are all your toys. I'm going to pretend I'll take one. Can I have this one? No, this one's my favorite. Can I have this one? This one's my favorite too. Can I have this one? This one is my favorite. Everything here is your favorite. You could just let the parrot have one turn. That's completely nice if you do. I'll reward you candy for that. Well, that's my favorite flower. Gosh. Ugh. Oh, why? Don't get too close, I warn you. Yes, you must not get too close. Whatever. Can't you guys just go? I'm recording. This place. You just go. Oh, okay. Well, there. Whoa, there. You don't want to go too close to Rainbow because he might bite you. Like in the video, 18-year-old Pencil got bit and he got really hurt. So don't do it. You're way older than him. You're like 13 years older. No, you're way younger than him. You're like 13 years younger than him. So you must be careful, really careful, and don't touch that. No! Say no to me again. Really. Well, if the parrot attacks you, it's gonna be your fault. But I'm going, well, whatever. Give it to me now. Huh? See, the parrot doesn't understand. Now move away from the parrot. No! You dare say no to your aunt? To your aunt? I don't care. All the grown-ups got chased away. Now good. Time to get my toy back. Parrot. Rainbow, if you don't give my toy back, I will hit you and get that toy. Give it to me. I said give it. What? You want to fight, huh? Whoa. Hey, Rainbow, no, Parrot. Let's put you in your carriage so you won't bite her again. Whoa there. So that's what happened, right? Yeah, see? We have warned you. You didn't even listen. So that's your lesson. That's what's gonna happen. You still get in trouble. Well, we're gonna check if she's hurt or not. Yeah, let's check. No scratches. Phew, that was a heart attack to me. Me too. I told you to listen to your aunt. Why did you even not do that? Why did you not do that? Because because you always don't tell the truth. Say it. I'm recording. Say it. Put her in timeout. I'm done with this. Done with her yelling no at me. Let's go. Can we get the parrot out of the carriage now? No, I think it's still aggressive. Let me see. Yeah, it's kind of scratching the carriage. So let's just leave it in there for a little bit. Okay? Okay. Okay. I'm just gonna get the toy back because it's the open moment, or isn't that not fair if I don't get it right now? Yeah. Yeah, I'm just gonna put this here. Aunt, do you want Aunt Lily, do you want to Aunt Deborah and Lily, do you want to watch her? Oh yeah, I'm just gonna watch Molly right now. She's staying there. Okay, she could get out now. That was a naughty parrot there, right? Yes, that was right. I'll pretend this is a parrot. This looks like a parrot. This is my toy, so yeah. Hey. Sweetie, what are we playing? Oh, the heart catches the naughty parrots. Okay. What is Natalie Molly doing? Oh, she's playing a game. What kind of game? Get the parrot. You know when kids do that? Oh yeah, I know. So this is the time where we could just take a break and we put the parrot somewhere that Molly and Natalie can't reach. Let's get this doll from here, put it here, put that carriage there. There. Alright. Hey, bad parrot. Hey, I'm the police. Don't you dare attack me. Hey, yeah. The end. Yeah.